How do I relax? Well, like many other Americans, I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress. Also, it lowers your heart rate and it lowers your blood pressure. Plus, people who pet their dogs are 5 times more likely to live longer than people who just have cats.
Oh, he took the cheese!
Wait, I'm not done.
Okay, well.
Kaiser, smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.
你会了。
What? It's 7:30 in the morning. Your sisters are asleep. Shh.
He's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
Come here. You put your hands behind their head. They use you.
Bang. Bang.
The door is here.
Just grabbing it. There you go.
What are you doing? You're not a cat.
I asked my dog this morning how his week's been going, and he said rough. And I felt that.
Catch it.
I want the other one to...
You have a ball in your mouth. Greedy. Big and greedy.
You want to say that? Come here. Let's say that.
Mimic, you are not a fucking husky. Get in the house.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
When your dogs know they're in timeout.
You know, you're going to have to come over today and you're going to have to pick up your Crocs.
No, don't you talk back.
Do you like blueberries?
Don't spoil my mirror. Don't spoil my mirror.
Max. Max. Max, come here. Who did this? Who did this?
You want to go.
And, wait, because I'm about to cry. Hold up.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera, Amy. Yeah, there you go.
There, good girl. Smile.
This is the last down feather pillow in my house. I'm telling you that right now. Yep, there you are. Bad dog. B-A-D-D-O-G.
Big smile, Holly. A good girl.
Meteor impact, some other impending danger. It is like you look at it and it's like whatever it is they give you, you believe it. And they're like, listen, I'm we know.
Who did that?
No. Blue. No. Listen, stop.
Wait for it. You ain't gonna find shit in there. I'm broke because of you. Just kidding.
I think I like this little. Rocco, go lay down. No.
I really don't know how that's going to be going.
Ow! You got a good hold of her?
Yeah.
Got the results today from my doctor. He said I was a beast.
No, he said you were obese. Sorry. Sorry, bro.
shall go.
He broke the TV! No!
Captain! No! Get down here!
Would you like to go watching the movies with Daddy? Is that a yes?
Hey, go fetch me a pop. Grab me a pop, would you? Come on, give me. Oh, shit.
Cody, did you make this mess?
How are you doing? Ma!
Having a Velcro dog. He's right there.
Violet, drop the duck. Drop it.
Who did it? That was naughty. Was it you? Because you look very guilty. That was bad. Mommy had the house all picked up. I'm not proud of you.
Hi, I'm just here to check in for my appointment.
Not all pee-pee times are poo-poo times. But all poo-poo times are pee-pee times.
Walked in, find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid.
Are you born in a barn? Okay, boy, Carlton.
Did you do it?
Were you supposed to do that? You a bad boy.
What are you doing? What? Why you keep pushing the bag and then looking at me? What are you trying to tell me? Please, please, mommy, please.
know what I'm saying? Kiss me if yes. Do you think I'm pretty? Kiss me if yes.
Concentrate. Wait for it. 1, 2, 9, 10, 12, 3. Good girl.
You love it?
The door is Mars. Mars. Come here, big boy.
Oh. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, kitty.
What are you doing?
No!
Never expected she would.
You need to learn how to say no in life. When they ask you, would you like one of these? You say, no, I want two.
That you're hearing my dog.
This way, come on, move. Let's go. Okay. Here we are.
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
Lorna.
Who did this?
No, you're not. You're on a diet.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
How do I